Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Fuel Your Body stuffed peppers. This is at EatFYB on Instagram, a really great meal delivery company, and I'm excited to try out this new to me option of stuffed peppers, which has yellow bell peppers and beef and rice in it. So this meal here has 358 calories, so very low, and only it comes with 34 grams of protein, 33 carbohydrate, and 10 fat. It has lean beef, peppers, brown rice, garlic sauce, olive oil, and seasoning, keeping the ingredients pretty low, which is always nice. And I heated this up for a minute and a half to get it perfectly the way I want it. This is going to be a little bit different to eat. I haven't had loaded peppers in a while, and I'm excited to try this one out. Feels very dense, and for only 358 calories, that's amazing. We also have the famous garlic sauce, so that is going to be put on this as well, as it just adds a lot to it. I love the garlic sauce, so I'm gonna get some of that on here. It's gonna be a little bit hard to share me eating it. So you gotta cut these peppers up and then get it full of the good stuff. I'll have a big slice here. It's gonna be massive. Looks good though. It's really good. Really, really good. I love the seasoned beef from Fuel Your Body. And I don't know what they do to make it taste this good, but every time I have this, the rice, the beef, everything always tastes amazing. And it just makes this meal very enjoyable. Wait. Hard to get the beef loaded up on here, but amazing. Bell peppers add a little bit of a crunchy flavor to it. And then the beef and the rice, absolutely delicious. I love this. I love the garlic sauce. I love the vegetables. I love the seasoning. Everything about it is so good. So yeah, it's a bit messy to eat, or eat on camera. So I'm going to cut it off there. This one is delicious. The peppers got a good flavor to it. It's got seasoning on it as well. The seasoning in the beef, and there's rice, and then there's some, it looks like cilantro or something in it as well. It just all comes together really nicely. So stuffed peppers from Fuel Your Body, I would give this a 8.5 out of 10. Really good, very similar to, I guess, like their beef and the beef burrito bowl, but without some of those ingredients. Instead, it's shoved inside a pepper. Peppers are delicious. I love peppers. Good source of vitamin C, so very delicious and nutritious. So, yeah, if you want to order this meal yourself, go check out EatFYB.ca. You can order one-time meals or recurring meal plan, as well as you can view it on Instagram, see all their meals for the week. They change them out on a weekly basis, so you always got fresh new options to choose from. So good. Go check them out. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.